Assalamu alaikum, well known and well known people. Today I'm gonna to tell you now in this video why you cannot speak in English. Even you have completed 10 years, 12 years, 15 years study journey, but you are not able to speak in English. Why? Let's go to explain where is the main problem. Actually, in our country second language in English, but most of the students were not capable to speak in English. This is our problem. We would like to speak in English, but we don't want to keep consistency. Truly speaking, language learning main key keep consistency. Let's go to give example. Like if you want to learn swim, you read many types of books how to learn how to do swim, and you watch many types of video and teach, but if you don't jump on the pond and if you don't try to swim, never will you be and will you able to swim. That's why if you want to learn speaking English, you have to practice every day. Like you have 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour's time to practice in English. That time you can practice in English. So many people, they are not educated person, but who are fluent English speaker. How it happened? Because they are trying to speak in English and every day who are listen in English and native English speaker speech. When those people talking with each other, that time they are carefully listen this native English speaker speech. After that they are try to speak in English. As a result, they are capable who are capable to speak in English. But our student problem, we have many lots of friends. If you meet and if you talk with your friend by English, right now in today's you will be able to speak in English, but you don't want to practice in English. This is your main problem. Like at this moment I am able to speak in English, but I am not fluent English speaker, but every day must I try to speak in English. Right now I am stay on the field, but I am speaking English. This is my main key. Inshallah, one day I will be fluent English speaker if I keep consistency. So, to sum up, I would like to use one sentence. If you want to be a fluent English speaker, if you want to learn speaking English, never ever give up. Keep consistency. Inshallah, one day you will be a fluent English speaker. That's all about today's video topic.